If Microsoft Word is giving you runtime error 4605, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that often solves the issue in just a few steps. This error can be frustrating because your Word may freeze, behave strangely, or refuse to open your document the way it should. The good news is that the solution is usually simple, and you can try it right away without needing any advanced technical knowledge. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure your document is using print layout. If your file is already open, go to the View tab at the top of Microsoft Word. From there, look for the print layout option and click it. This changes the way Word displays the document, and in some cases, it can instantly clear the error if the problem was caused by a view-related glitch. It's a very simple step, but it can make a big difference, so don't skip it. Next, we're going to close any ghost processes that may still be running in the background. Sometimes Microsoft Word doesn't fully shut down, even if the program window disappears. Those leftover processes can cause runtime error 4605 when you try to open Word again. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, look through the list for Microsoft Word. If you see it running, right-click on it and choose End Task. This forces Word to fully close and clears out any stuck background activity. After that, wait a few seconds and then open Word again to see if the error is gone. If the problem was caused by a stuck process, Word should now open normally. This is one of the most effective ways to fix runtime error 4605 because it addresses both display issues and background conflicts. If it still doesn't work right away, try closing Word again, reopening the document, and confirming that the file is set to print layout before doing anything else. Sometimes the fix only takes effect after restarting the app. Another helpful tip is to make sure you're working with a healthy document and not a file that's partially corrupted. If the error only happens with one specific document, try opening a different Word file to see whether the problem is with Word itself or just that one file. If other documents open fine, then the issue may be isolated to the original file. In that case, you can try copying the content into a new document after Word is working again. Also, if you recently had Word crash or your computer lost power, ghost processes are even more likely to be the cause. That's why using Task Manager is such an important step. It gives you a clean restart of the application without lingering background conflicts. And if you're using Word heavily for work or school, this is a great troubleshooting habit to remember anytime you run into strange runtime errors. So, to quickly recap, switch your document to print layout, then open Task Manager with Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Find Microsoft Word and end the task if it's still running. After that, relaunch Word and check whether the error is fixed. In many cases, that's all it takes to get back to editing normally. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Word runtime error 4605, please give it a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.